Is your iPhone GPS not working or showing the wrong location? Don't worry, in this video, we will show you working fixes. Fix 1. Let's go to Settings, scroll down, and locate Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services, and first make sure it's turned on. Then scroll down, find the specific app you are using, and select the location access as well using the app. Also, let's go to the System Services and make sure it's turned on. Fix 2. Tap General and select Date and Time. Make sure they are toggled on. Fix 3. Enable the airplane mode, then wait for a few seconds and disable it. This is very simple, but it refreshes your location. Fix 4. Reset location. Tap General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Then tap on the Reset button and select Reset Location and Privacy. Fix 5. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes all you need is a simple restart and it resolves many basic issues. If all the above methods fail to fix iPhone GPS not working, let Syncios Location Changer help you. You can use the tool to test and reset your iPhone location instantly. It allows you to change iPhone GPS location to anywhere with one click, without jailbreak. So you can just launch it, connect your iPhone. Next, change your iPhone location by choosing a random place. Meanwhile, your iPhone location will update. Then, simply click the Restore the Real Coordinates button, and your iPhone GPS location will reset successfully. Works for most iPhone models. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more iPhone fixes. I'll leave the tool link in the description. Thanks for watching.